Hey everybody, I'm Cass with Desert Armor. This is our virtual Overland Expo demo in regards to our Beast air compressor. The Beast air compressor can hook up to any vehicle's 12-volt battery source. The flow rate is 300 liters per minute. It's the highest air output portable compressor on the market. So it'll save you guys so much time on the trails. Right now I'm going to show you guys how we fill up a 33-inch tire from 18 to 35 psi in about 1 minute. Let's get to it. Be sure to check us out at desertarmorshop.com. Below we will have a discount code and the direct link to the Beast air compressor. Thanks for stopping by.